In this video, I'll show you how to access Street View on Google Maps using your Android device. If you want to explore Street View on Google Maps, follow these simple steps, and you'll be able to do it in no time. First, open Google Maps and make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see, I've opened Google Maps here, and you can search for any destination of your choice. Once you search, you'll see the location displayed on your screen. Now, if you want to see the street view of the location, it's very easy to do. Street View is a virtual version of the world, created by stitching panoramic images together. To access it, start by tapping on the Layers icon, which you can find right here on your screen. This will take you to a menu with two sections, Map Type and Map Details. Under Map Type, you can choose from default, satellite, or terrain views. In the Map Details section, you'll find options like public transit, traffic, bicycling, 3D, Street View, wildfires, and air quality. Simply tap on the Street View option. Once that's done, close the Layers menu. You will now be able to view the street view for your selected destination. Blue lines on the map indicate areas that have Street View coverage, and those are the streets you can explore virtually. And that's it. That's how you view Street View on Google Maps using your Android device. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.